YouTube channel. So today is January 31, 2026 and today is our oath-taking ceremony for the new teachers. So right now it's exactly 3:12 a.m. and I am preparing, and it's been 3 years since I posted my last video here on YouTube. So there's a lot of things that already happened and I wanted to share my journey. So let's have a little recap from my college years, from the graduation, and I wanted to share my board examination journey or my review session journey so I can inspire and motivate you to pass all the pre-board examination, mock board examination, and most importantly, the national board examination this 2026. So i-claim na natin yan. So for background, I took Bachelor of Elementary Education in the University of Rizal System Antipolo Campus in the year 2021, and I graduated last year, June 19, 2025. And before pa kami graduate, ay nag-enroll na kami sa isang trusted and recommended review center ng aming university, and yes, sobrang nakatulong siya sa pagpasa namin ng board exam last September 21, 2025. So that was our examination date. And yung place or yung school na pinag-examan ko is sa New Era University. So before kami mag-exam, talagang nag-site visit muna kami ng isa kong friend. And syempre, para mapanatag yung isip mo na kung saan ka talaga mapupunta. So for the review center that I'm enrolled in, Sabado-Linggo yung kanilang face-to-face. And also, syempre, Sabado-Linggo lang yun. Talagang nag-enroll din ako sa mga online review centers such as Sir Melvin Borracho and Gurong Pinoy, which is yung iba libre lang naman. So, kapag may mga live sila, talagang inaabangan ko at nagtitake note ako at talagang pinapakinggan ko sila. And even sa mga TikTok or even Facebook, talagang sinakop nila lahat ng mga review coaches yung aking timeline, which is very helpful naman. Kasi every time na nag-open ka ng social media mo, talagang makakapag-encounter ka ng new set of questions or magagamit mo during the board examination day. And that's it. So right now, we're going to prepare. I'm gonna be doing my own makeup. And yung ticket na nakuha ko is pang 9 a.m. So syempre, we are here from Antipolo City and kailangan natin ng preparation pa, kaya kailangan talaga natin na maaga tayong magising at mag-prepare kasi maliligo ka pa, nagpapatuloy ka pa ng hair. So this is our look, pero hindi pa tayo nag-lipstick, and this is my gown. Yan. Gown 08. Ito yung ating fit for today. So itong dress na to, pinagawa namin dun sa may Antipolo Public Market. Dun banda sa may second floor, which is andun lahat ng mga iba't ibang mga costume or mga Filipiniana. And pwede rin kayo doon mag-rent and pwede rin kayo magpa-customize ng inyong gustong dress na sweater. So yes, so talagang I like it. And for the shoes, ito yung susuotin ko, which is ito yung sinuot ko rin ng graduation. So this is the final look. Ayan. So it's already 5:30 mga ganun. So we're waiting for our sasakyan. So we are currently waiting for my uncle na singing sa amin today. And this is the fit, which is it's giving. So let's go. Today, I am on my way to something I once only prayed about. From sleepless nights, to silent prayers, to countless doubts. And now, it's finally happening. Today, I'll be taking my oath as a licensed professional teacher.
Ladies and gentlemen, please stand as we begin the processional and witness the March of Excellence. Passing through our center aisle is with a rating of 93.60%, Miss Jenny Bakay Babayos from 7. Next, we have the Vice Chairperson, Honorable Paz Ayucito.
Keep us grounded in your love and mercy as we traverse a challenging path to keeping the
over and above the 72.62%. Ay, hindi ko malaki. Elementary, BES, 3 BES, please stand. All right. First day pa lang, second day hindi daw pumasok. But anyway, you're welcome. Move on. It's a rounded personality, yung magsusuot ng pin na yan. Okay ba sa inyo? You are well-rounded. Physically, hindi kayo mataas din. Diba? Congratulations and have a good day.
You, our keynote speaker, who will be leading us also in the administration of the oath and the pinning ceremony. Our keynote speaker is a career educator who started as high school teacher of English and mathematics after
Vice Chairperson Lucido said, competence in your examination is not an achievement test, but it was a screening test. That test determined whether you will be a successful teacher. So be confident. Be confident now because you have passed the Rubicon of hereby solemnly swear.
Hereby solemnly swear.
I will support and defend.
I will support and defend
The Constitution of the Philippines.
the Constitution of the Philippines.
That I will bear true faith.
That I will bear true faith
And allegiance to the same.
and allegiance to the same.
That I will obey the laws.
That I will obey the laws,
Legal orders and decrees.
legal orders, and decrees
Promulgated by the duly constituted authorities.
promulgated by the duly constituted authorities
Of the Republic of the Philippines.
of the Republic of the Philippines.
And that I impose this obligation upon myself.
And I impose this obligation upon myself
voluntarily without mental reservation
voluntarily without mental reservation
or purpose of evasion.
or purpose of evasion.
I further solemnly swear
I further solemnly swear
at all times and places
that all times and places
I will adhere closely
I will adhere closely
to ethical standards
to the ethical
and
standards
professional roles of teachers
and professional roles of
in
teachers
the Philippines and in the world.
in the Philippines and in the world.
And that I will faithfully discharge
And I will faithfully
to the
discharge
best of my ability
to the best of my
the
ability
duties and obligations incumbent
the duties and obligations incumbent
upon a legally authorized
upon a legally authorized
professional teacher.
professional teachers.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations, you professional teacher.
May nagdalawang padyak para sa inyong mga guro. Simula sa kinder, maaaring namatay na ngayon. Kaya namin kayo. Kinder, elementary, secondary, at of course, yung ating mga officials na yung college, university, hanggang sa college yan. Pagkakatan ng batimpi. Okay? Tatlong palakpak at tatlong padyak. Go!
Maraming salamat. Di ano, walang mami mo tinuro eh.
Go! Bravissimo. Go! Go! Sige, maestro, music, the dance of celebration.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me.
Maligaya ang bawat Pilipino sa ating bayan. Mabuhay ang Gurong Pilipino!
Everything about today feels so meaningful. After all the sleepless nights, the doubts, the prayers, and the sacrifices, I finally took my oath as a teacher. It is a quiet kind of victory, one that gently reminds me that God's timing is always perfect. As I stepped out from the venue, I was greeted by two very special people, my mother and my boyfriend, waiting for me outside. And then he gave me a flower that he made himself. It is so pretty and I am very happy and I really appreciate it.
Thank you.
After that, we met my ninang and we had a little celebration together to enjoy this success. This day was a beautiful reminder that every achievement is not just about the title, but about the journey, the love, support, and prayers along the way. Before ending the day, we visited the church to give thanks to God. Because at the end of it all, every achievement is a reflection of God's grace and faithfulness.
stop.